Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete duplicates in Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application. Now we have no button to delete duplicates. I mean one button and you click on it and it will remove the duplicates. We have no options here in the application, but we can do something. So when you enter into the application, it will open for you photos, the main photos feed. So you click at the three dots at the right top. And right here, first I recommend to set layout to the months to easiest find this picture. And then click at the stock similar photos. As you can see now, we use this feature. What this feature do? So let me scroll down and I will show it to you. So right here, as you can see, I have photo, and right here I have the number 2. It means that I have stock with 2 similar photos. So I can open it, and as you can see, we have 2 photos here. And I can remove one of these photos. Just move it to the trash, so click trash, and this photo only, and delete. Let's scroll down again. As you can see right here, we have also stock with 2 photos. Right here we have stock with 3. So I guess you get it. So you need to just stock it and then find these photos and delete them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!